Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this absolutely beautiful 2024 Kia Carnival SX. The Carnival has replaced the Sedona as Kia's mainstay minivan. One awesome vehicle. When it comes to space, cargo capacity, people hauling ability, you really can't beat minivans. And keeping it real, obviously minivans aren't the most exotic choice for a new vehicle, but they can be very practical. And as far as space goes, even a full-size SUV like a Chevy Suburban, you'd have a hard time beating the space and cargo volume you have with a minivan. You'd have to get a full-size van. I have a full-size van myself, a 12-passenger van, and while it might not be as exotic as like having a Chevy Suburban or a Tahoe, it has come in handy so many times. You know, hauling stuff around. I have a band, I haul PA equipment. We use it for, you know, when we have church members visiting the area. That comes in very nicely, having that extra seating ability. These things are like Swiss Army knives. And the cool thing about the Carnival is that it looks pretty good, you know, keeping, you know, in consideration it is a minivan. It's not as, you know, sexy as like the Kia Stinger. They did a nice job styling it, and it's a great, comfortable vehicle to drive every day. We recently took this one in on trade, a little under 2,000 miles. We took it on trade for a brand new Infiniti. So obviously the previous owners weren't jiving with the minivan. They traded in for an Infiniti, I think QX60, which is a crossover SUV. So obviously minivans aren't for everyone, but if you're in the market for a minivan, this very nicely equipped SX is a great one to consider. Look at this beautiful interior. I love the perforated seats, the way they have like these really cool shapes kind of poked into the seats of the holes from the perforation. Really nice. We have heated and ventilated front seats, beautiful black piano finish. We have a navigation system. We have a multi-zone climate control. Huge screen for the navigation system. We have a rear parking camera, 360-degree round view monitor, and you can change views. Very helpful. Obviously there's some blind spots and stuff like that in the minivan, so this 360 camera is going to be a huge help. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. Really nice digital gauge cluster of Analog style gauges to the left and right. Also have these really nice blind spot cameras, which will come in very handy. We have adaptive cruise control, steering assist, blind spot warning. Yeah, Kia did an amazing job with the Carnival. Really nice looking vehicle. Nice comfortable front seat accommodations. And really cool styling on the outside. I like the black wheels. The SX is not the SX is one of the range topping trim levels for the Kia Carnival. For an engine, we have a 3.5 liter V6 that we can find in all sorts of Kia and Hyundai products. Kia and Hyundai are in the same family. Makes about 290 horsepower. Pretty much all the power you'd want in a vehicle like this. Really nice front end styling. I like the daytime running light strip they have. And then they really did a great job on the styling for the, like for instance here, you can look at this. They added this nice metal panel right here, this metal trim. And that just kind of helps it look more kind of like a sedan. Kind of plays tricks on your eyes, I guess, in a little way, but you know, little subtleties like that just kind of make it look better, because you're kind of dealing with a boxy shape of slab sides. So little styling cues like this really kind of add to the visual appeal and make it look less boxy and more kind of less minivan like I should say. Nice spacious seating for the second row. We have a rear entertainment system, and this middle seat folds down, so you have like a little tray area and then some cup holders. And then the third row seating is pretty nice as well. Even someone like me who's 6'2", I can sit pretty comfortably back here. And it's not always the case, even with SUVs. There's a lot of full-size SUVs, like even like a Chevy Suburban or something like that. I would not be anywhere near as comfortable in the third seat in one of those versus the third seat in this Carnival. Much more comfortable. Of course, a power rear liftgate. Lots of space back here. So the seats can stow flat in here, making this almost like a cargo van. And then it's pretty easy to put them up into the down position. Let's try it out. I've never done this before, so let's see how intuitive this really is. It says pull. And then there's probably a way to detach the seatbelt. But as you can see, I've never done this before, first time, and very easily folded down the seats with one hand. Look at that. I've never folded them up first time. It's a little bit loud. See how intuitive that is? That is so easy. You have some nice cargo shelves right here. 110 power outlet, then a 12 volt one. Yeah, really nice job. Well, there you have it. One beautiful example of a 2024 Kia SX. Beautiful shape inside and out. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video, and have a wonderful day.